How to build a profitable faceless brand in 2026. No filming needed. In 2026, you no longer need a camera, a studio, or even on-camera confidence to build a successful brand. Faceless content is now one of the fastest growing categories on YouTube and social media, and with AI tools, it's easier than ever to scale. Today, you'll learn how to build a profitable faceless brand from zero, even if you don't want to be on camera. Section 1. Why faceless brands are growing in 2026. A growing number of creators prefer faceless content because it offers privacy, flexibility, and speed. With AI voiceovers, animated visuals, templates, and automated workflows, a single person can now run what used to require a full team. In 2026, faceless channels are attracting audiences because the value of the content matters more than the personality on screen. Section 2. Step 1. Choose a clear, narrow topic. The most successful faceless brands focus on a specific topic, not a broad category. Instead of marketing, focus on AI tools for business owners. Instead of real estate, focus on South Florida buyer education or agent branding. The narrower your niche, the faster your audience identifies you as a reliable source. Section 3. Step 2. Use AI tools for video creation. You don't need complex software to produce high-quality faceless videos. Artificial intelligence tools handle most of the heavy lifting. ChatGPT can create scripts. Canva produces visuals, slides, and animations. CapCut can edit your entire video automatically, complete with captions. And stock footage libraries help you build professional-looking sequences without filming. Section 4. Step 3. Build a consistent brand system. A faceless brand still needs identity. Use consistent colors, fonts, thumbnails, and templates so your audience recognizes your content immediately. A clear brand system helps you appear established, credible, and organized, even if you're working alone. If you want to learn the tools, workflows, and strategies behind building a strong faceless brand, subscribe now. New videos every week to help you grow your digital presence effectively.